Hi guys, Crystal here, realestateindustry.whistleblower.com, and I have a concept for you. What if, instead of turning your life over to the real estate attorney and the realtors and the real estate industry, what if you could actually go into the criminal code, the laws of your state, and actually pick out a law and file a complaint with the clerk of court yourself? Well, maybe you can. Check out realestateindustry.whistleblower.com. We're going to be talking about this there and exploring it. I get what real estate attorneys, what real estate agents, what MLS offices, what State Association of Realtors, Local Association of Realtors, Board of Realty Regs, or Real Estate Commission, whatever it is in your state. I get the frustration as a consumer being frauded against. I get stories all the time. I've been through it myself. I get the frustration and nobody's listening. You're treated as if you're the criminal when you're the victim. So what if you can file complaints? You file a complaint with the board, the MLS, and right? But do it anyway. File a complaint with the state, and they might go, well, there's nothing I can do, but do it anyway. Then, of course, there's the Better Business Bureau. Well, they suck. Seriously. I've seen people with proven fraud against mortgage brokers, and they call the Better Business Bureau, they prove it to them, they fax them everything, and the Better Business Bureau is like, well, maybe you should call and work it out with her. And you can see that story at DesireeStewart.com, where a local mortgage broker committed fraud and nobody cares. The FBI acts like, ooh, scary, do not commit mortgage fraud. Well, they're not really looking, so whatever. They're not listening to me. As a broker owner, nobody's listening. So the Better Business Bureau, when the consumer calls them, they encourage them to work their problems out, which that's great, but this is fraud. It's proven fraud, and they try to send you back to the person who did this horrible thing to you, right? And put your life in financial ruin, tons of stress, and just really, wreaked havoc on your life. So you can't trust that if you look in the Better Business Bureau, oh, there's no complaints against them, they must be wonderful. Or, oh, if there's no complaints at the state level of this particular real estate brokerage or office, then they must be wonderful. Keep in mind, too, folks, that most real estate lawsuits don't end up in court. So the real estate attorneys, they battle it out, basically, which means they go behind closed doors in their phone and say, hey, yeah, yeah, let's give them this money. Oh, yeah, I think they need that. Oh, this is what they really need. Oh, they don't need that much. Oh, let's let him go. Seriously, folks, that's the kind of stuff they do. They decide what it is that you need in your real estate transaction. Check out realestateindustry.whistleblower.com and find out what you really need to know about what's going on in your real estate transaction. There's a lot more that goes on behind the scenes that you folks need to know. So, what was I even talking about? Anyway, it's sad what happens to the real estate consumer, and I just want you folks to know more. So, realestateindustry.whistleblower.com.